That man, I'm just tired of him. He's a damn cheat. He's a community penis. I can't stand it anymore.
What are you going to do about the 2 kids that you have right now?
Me, I'm not lazy now. I can walk. And besides, my ex-boyfriend is supportive of it.
Your ex-boyfriend?
Yes.
Is he single?
He's married, but he's supportive. That's all that matters.
Your friend, I'll be honest with you. I mean, no offense. It's only a matter of time before, you might begin to sleep with him.
You're supposed to be my friend. I don't understand. Are you not supposed to be supporting me? What's with all this advice now?
Of course I support you, but honestly, you are talking to your ex-boyfriend. He's your ex.
So are you jealous now? Are you jealous of me?
Babe, apologies. I'm not being jealous. Right? I just want you to be careful before you become a side chick.
It's calling.
No, hala.
Hello, baby. You finally remember me.
Yeah, so I've just been thinking. My wife traveled on vacation.
Your wife traveled? Okay, so how long will she be away?
For 4 weeks. No, right? 4 good weeks. And I feel very lonely, to be honest. I don't mind if you come over.
Yeah, sure, no problem. I can just leave the keys with the maid. I'll come over right now.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
Okay.
Yeah,
alright.
Yeah, me. Well, I've said my piece, so I don't want to become a side chick, another man's side chick.
Please, you worry too much. Please, just keep your advice. Let me go and enjoy myself. My boyfriend is coming.
It is well. She will not wait for me.
Yeah, I'm change that though. Still does not just before. I don't mind the touch though. It's still not like that way.
You're still as beautiful as before, but you left me now because I was poor.
No, I did not.
You did now.
Are you angry?
Hell, I don't really care anymore. But now you're here.
I feel so dead.
No, but the sex was good. You know what?
Okay.
Hello?
Hello, Richard.
Why are you calling me now? Why are you disturbing my peace? See, please, I beg, I'm with my wife. I don't want problem.
Calm down. I just miss you, that's why I'm calling you. And I need some money right now. And you're just pouring it in my face. My wife this, my wife that.
Now, you can't be calling me like this. Please, don't call me whenever I'm with my wife. Just, if we need to talk, I'll call you, okay?
This is not fair. It's not fair. I used to be married before. Eh?
I will call you at my own time, I beg. Okay, later. Bye. I've heard you. Bye.
Hello. Yes, how are you calling me?
Hello, my husband.
I'll call you Betty Baba. I'm no longer your husband. I told you I'm married.
Is it not like that?
If I go back,
Well, there's no food in the house. I need some money.
you need money for school fees. And there's no food in the house. I just hope you're not on your monthly period.
No, why?
Well, my share from the kitchen, I mean it. Before I give you the money. I'm coming down there to grind you, you notice? No more place now. 4 o'clock tomorrow evening, I'll be there. I'll give you the money.
Hello babe, how you doing? It's been a while. I just remembered you. I said let me talk to you today.
No, everything is not fine.
Are you crying? What's going on?
Yemi, everything you said was true. Everything you advised me was true.
What's that?
Both my ex-husband and my ex-boyfriend, they won't give me anything until they see my nakedness. Yemi, these two just want to finish me. They're just passing me around like football. Eh?
I know. This is exactly what I told you. Oh, goodness.
Men, women, find a way to solve your marital issues. Cheating is a no, but it reigns everywhere.